puppies. They should have arrived by now. How marvelous. How marvelous. How perfect. Oh, the devil take it. They're mongrels. No spots. No spots at all. What horrible little white rats.
But the spots don't come till later.
You're sure?
Yes.
All right. Put them in a bag. I'll take them with me now.
What? They were just born!
I can see that.
But Cruella, the puppies have to be with their mother for several weeks. They're not ready to leave.
Fine, put the little brutes on reserve for me. How much would you like?
They're not for sale.
Oh? You've come into some money, have you? Did you design some silly game that will drive the delinquent kiddies into frenzies of video delight?
As a matter of fact,
No, what Roger means to say is that we're not sure we're going to sell the puppies.
Anita, don't be ridiculous. You can't possibly afford to keep them. I'll pay you twice what they're worth. Come now. I'm being more than generous. £500. £7,500. Fair? £2 per spot.
Cruella, what would you do with 15 puppies?
Yeah, but that's irrelevant, Anita. She can't have any because they're not for sale.
I'm getting very tired of you, Roland.
Roger.
Whatever. Take it. Take it. Take it!
Cruella, the puppies are not for sale.
You're quite sure?
Yes.
All right. Keep the little beasts. Do what you like with them. Drown them for all I care. You're a fool, Anita. I've no use for fools. You're fired. You're finished. You'll never work in fashion again. I'm through with all of you. Oh, just even. Just wait. You'll be sorry. You fools! You idiots!
Good evening, madam.
Out of my way!